How to get Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Deluxe Edition of the game for free, and not just on PC, but on PS5, Xbox, and EA as well. No catches, just follow along, and I'll walk you through the process. Right here on my screen, you can see I'm entering a code for Dragon Age, the Veilguard on Steam. And the best part? This method works across all platforms, PlayStation, Xbox, and the EA Store. So, no matter where you play, you're covered. Let's dive in. To start, all you'll need is a smartphone. I'm using Apple, but it works for Android too. Open your browser and go to fundzap.com. That's fundzap.com. FunZap is one of the most reliable sites I've used for free game codes. They update their offers regularly, and if you're quick enough, you can grab some awesome freebies like this one. When you get to FunZap, just search for Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. It should pop up right on the homepage since it's one of the newest releases. But if not, you can just type it in the search bar. You'll notice two versions available, Standard and Deluxe. For this tutorial, definitely go for the Deluxe Edition. It comes with bonus content. Now, when you're on the game's page, you'll see that the code is locked. But don't worry, unlocking it is super easy. Just follow these simple steps. To unlock the code, you'll need to complete two simple tasks. These are completely legitimate tasks that require you to download and use real apps. Everything's free, and all the apps are available on both App Store and Google Play Store. The first task asks you to download a game and reach level 3. I'll show you how to do that in just a couple of minutes. While that's downloading, let's look at the second task. It asks you to run an app for just 30 seconds. A quick tip: if you already have the app installed, you need to delete it and reinstall it. Otherwise, it won't register. Make sure it's fresh on your device. Once you've got both apps installed, follow the simple instructions, complete the in-game goals, or just open the app for a little while. It won't take long. As you can see, the code is now unlocked, and I'm going to click Unlock Code. And there it is, the 15-digit code for Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition. It's time to copy this code. Now, go to your platform, whether it's Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, or the EA Store, and just paste this code into the Redeem section. That's it. You've got the game, and it's completely free. Thanks for sticking with me. I hope this tutorial helps you unlock Dragon Age, the Veilguard Deluxe Edition without spending a dime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more free game tutorials. If you get the game, let me know in the comments how you're enjoying it. Catch you next time.